Ladies and gentlemen, anyone that plays this game will realize that Todoroki's getting a new skill set, and in the future there'll be lots more, I think. Well, that Todoroki's here now, and we are going to check that out. Over a period of time, I have collected 1,043 rolls. I haven't bought any of them, so I'm pretty pleased with that. I didn't think I'd get this far. Alright, so what we're gonna try and do is obviously get Todoroki's quirk set. Let's just look at the drop rates real quick. What? It's a 1% chance of getting Todoroki. It used to be 2% when Midoriya's thing came out. Well, that's just stupid. We are going to start out with this, but since I've got over 10k crystals, I'm gonna use this time just to get as many rolls as I possibly can get, it'll just look so satisfying. Now I see that, I realize that you can only get like a limit of 100 tickets. You can only buy that many. It's really annoying. I'm getting a call. Yeah, what? Okay, but Joe, it's 8k for 100 tickets. The relevance is, I can buy 100 tickets for 1k. Wait, what? Wait, is it 10 roll tickets for each time you buy a set, or is it just... It's 10, right? What's the point? It just costs more. How am I saving 2k if I buy this? Okay, not following. Okay. So I should buy the limited one. I'm still kinda not following, but I'll buy it anyway. Because I don't care. I now have 1,143 rolls. Okay.
Something good is coming.
Oh, if this is Todoroki, I'm gonna shit my pants. Oh my days. Watch it be an emote. I swear it's gonna be an emote or a skin. It's gonna be an emote or a skin. It's gonna be.
Okay. Thank goodness. Yes.
Wanza plus ultra. The red arrest. Voice excellent. Costume. Hey, this actually looks fire. I kind of want. This is kind of sick. Hi Hazel, how you doing? Costume. That's built. That. It kind of looks like Poison Ivy. That's super manly, bro. Like, deeper. Let's go, baby. No. Okay. Please. Oh my days. Oh my days, I just cummed. Oh my days, I just cummed. Oh, let's go. Let's fucking go. Oh. I just cummed. Joe, are you watching this? Are you watching my stream? Watch it. I'm coming right now. Hey, yo! Let's go, baby. Everyone at bay.
I'm already fired up.
Where's he gone? is he not dead yet? Thank you. I'm sorry, man. You know what? He suffered enough. He suffered enough, man. I chased him down the whole game. I'm gonna give him a chance.
Oh, this? Level up. Hey.
Seriously? Oh, my days has out, please. Seriously? I'm giving people mercy because when you die first thing, oh, it kind of just ruins your day, man. And I know that's the game, but like, you know, just give him a chance. They're just trying to have fun.
Let it die, let it shrivel up and come on, who's with me, huh? Let it die, let it die, let it shrivel.
Oh, I couldn't tell whether I can climb it. Oh. Bro, Fortnite exists in this game. Fortnite is now. Just give it a second. There we go. Any brawler is like Malu. Yo. Son of a bitch.
I'll take it.
Tough luck, man. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm not gonna. Really, man?
Where's my hero notebook?
Really?
I won't lose this
Okay.
time.
I'm sorry if you think I was being toxic or something, but the character's overpowered, man. The character's overpowered.
Look at lazy.
What? Where'd it go?
I think
It fell through the floor.
As far
Come on.
Oh, Joe, you're fighting the guy that attacked me.
Up ahead.
Where'd it?
die, that'd be that.
And I'm fucked
It's crazy
immediately.
touch, no!
He's weak.
He's already scared me off. I can't do anything against his alpha.
But he's
Your aim sucks.
scared the old chakra
I'm
wall.
ready. I'll destroy you.
Do you guys need help? You seem like you need help.
He's running.
Get back!
I found an item.
Hand it over.
Hand it over. That's not nice. Give it!
Well, I need movement.
I dipped it, you cunt!
Don't care. I
Oh
was
my
closer.
days.
I'll take it.
Fuck you.
Hey,
What? I actually need.
You know what?
You
When
already
you're
have
dead,
lights. You already cannot get hit, Joe.
Found an item.
There you
does
go.
anyone need these items?
I only need one.
Hey,
He went over this way.
enemies.
found him.
Here we go. Burning up.
Why is it me? Why is it always me?
My left.
I'm me.
I'll destroy you. Burning up.
Downed.
Alright. Oh, someone else is there.
I don't care. I'm free health. So you have to deal with that on your own.
That's not gonna do it.
Where?
Somewhere.
Did you kill the Deku?
Everyone's in
Yeah.
the safe area.
Sure did.
Why did you attack? What the fuck? Joe, what are you attacking?
There was another rack.
Shoto.
Where? No one's told
Went
me
up here.
anything. I can't see.
Yes, we did. What?
Blown away. Cremation. Max firepower. Just a little.
I don't like how the
Oh,
box
come
looks
on.
in this game.
What?
She went over there. I can't catch her.
You don't like the
What?
hot mix.
I can catch her.
Oh, really? Oh, congrats.
Where is she? You
Well,
didn't
I saw
tell
her
me.
up here. I marked
She's
her.
not up here though.
Alright, well, she left.
Fuck you. He's gonna revive her teammates. Oh, I see him. They're all the way over there.
Time to take.
Where?
Max firepower.
95.
Let's go.
Transformed into
Oh,
me.
there's two.
Blown away. Ignite. Can't take much more.
Which one? Which one? Which Joe? Which one is you?
Well, how am I meant to tell you?
Because you know which one's you.
I can't mark me.
My left.
There's the Dabby over here. By the way. Joe, do you need help?
Kind of,
I have a team heal.
yeah, that I need it now, though.
Okay, give me a chance.
No, you don't have a chance. I need.
So much trash.
I can't follow where you are.
I won't let you.
105. The Dabby's nearly dead. He's red Dabby, so he needs to die.
Can you give me? Can you use your ability to heal me?
Combustion.
Cheers. Joe, could you leave? Like, I don't know where you are. No! It's that bastard again!
Hey. Cremation.
So much trash. I'll need to dispose of it.
It's like that help.
Sheesh. Thanks, homie. No, Joe, get back here.
Is it still there?
Oh wait, I don't even need it.
What?
Joe.
I'm ready.
Take
Get
that.
back here! I didn't do anything.
Joe, take this.
What?
Does anyone
Take
need
that.
these items?
No,
I
not
don't
that.
need it!
Area.
I meant the shields.
People over there, I'm trying again.
I'm gonna create a skybase.
If I die, revive me.
No. Joe, look,
How
I'm
do I do
gonna
that?
make a skybase. Joe, look at me. I'm a giant skybase.
I'm nowhere near you.
I'm just look up.
Where's Shoto?
Look towards UA.
So much trash. I'll need to dispose of it.
I'm coming! I have to take a leave. Plus ultra.
Oh, I felt. What?
How did that miss?
There was a.
Ignite. Can't take much more.
I'm gonna die. I'm out of movement.
I won't let
I don't
you.
know who it is.
Cremation.
I always use my movement to kill people, and then I'm stranded with no movement. And I'm not gonna stop.
Alright, does anyone have any spare shields?
Everyone get in the safe area. Quickly. I'll take level up.
Do I have any special? You gave me them.
I'm coming. Don't worry, your big brother's coming.
Yep. I'm not even I don't need help though.
You're not Endeavour, what? I don't think that's
I mean, I'm not Endeavour. Fuck off,
How does that go through walls? 139, I think it's Endeavour.
I don't want to.
Oh my god.
Where did you come from?
Alright, down this guy.
I'll grab more items if we need them.
Shit,
Joe, you're gonna die.
Shit.
Jesus! Look!
Yeah, I'm dead.
I downed him in zone.
Yeah, Shoto's lack of movement, it really, it makes it hard.
There you go! I mean, I'm not gonna get you back, but I have you. No one can hit me, no one can save me. No!
That was so stupid.
Oliver.
I think he saw me, chat.
Weakling, die! Here you go! You idiot! Fire! Fire!
I'm gonna die.
I'm ready!
Oh my god, I got it off, thank god. Well, you've been a bully again.
Yeah.
Okay. Pilot, people on you. I can get you back, Joe!
Watch out, here.
Hey.
Careful, that might be people on the
Thanks, Pooks.
No.
Ignite! Fire!
I downed the decker.
Down. Make sure to...
Oh no! Oh, it's zone! Why did it finish?
Oh,
Yeah, I got it. Down.
I'll take it. Level up.
Was that a truck?
downed him. That's what, just don't touch him, for goodness sake.
He already used his special.
I'm strong. You're dead. You're trash.
76.
Where?
I don't know, she's just vanished. Check these buildings. Back no, my days. Joe, check these buildings.
She's on board.
Proof of what?
76, she is Flash.
Yeah, I'm going.
My fire.
Okay, that's rude. Get back in! Then like wood! Actually, wait. I like wheat.
Oh my days, this is so annoying.
People yoink.
No good, idiot. I'm
Sigma.
100.
Funny.
I've done that.
Okay, it's yay!
much more.
I'm gonna
Let's
explode
go.
the shit out of you, Tyler.
Yo.
Huzzah! I like to say.
Your mom.
Huzzah!
Champions of this battle are...
I'm gonna. A real hero.
I did good.
Looks useful.
No one get a key. I got those kills.
No.
I got into rank 2.
So,
Yeah.
can you switch off, please?
You have it already? How?
Can you,
You had like 20 rolls. How did you already get it?
listen?
Can I have a skill set?
Oh my days, Joe. Your luck is unbelievable. I can't believe it.
I'm built different,
Alright.
man.
I don't care, Joe. I'm making a video, you're not.
Man, what if I make a video? I can stream.
I want
Right,
a
but
character.
You're just doing it just so you can play the character. You're not actually going to make a video.
I'll make 2 videos back to back that are the exact same.
Don't care.
Man,
You won't do it.
I will make a video. I made a video. I will. I just want to play once.
No.
Please.
No, we have limited time, Joe, to get a good game in. If I switch characters and we get a good game in, that's a lot. That I get no good gameplay with him.
Fair enough. I always have my videos with a win, so I play Shoto.
I want to be Shoto.